Guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a makeup look. So I want to make some some TikTok videos, and I'm going to do this TikTok makeup look, and I just decided to record it and send it here on YouTube. Someone might like it and find it helpful. So I know I look like a mess right now, but we're about to fix that. So first of all, we are going to fix these brows. I have new blade here and just gonna take one and fix my brows. They look unacceptable. We're gonna fix that. I don't really like, I don't I don't need to do the markings and all. I just freestyle basically. So yep. Can you guys see any difference? So I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Every other thing will be fixed by a concealer because I don't want to overshave my eyebrows. Okay. So I had to cut this part short because I realized that I was taking so much time filming this eyebrow part. So if you guys want like a separate video showing how I shave my eyebrows, let me know. I would gladly do that. My eyebrows grow really fast, so that won't be a problem. So I'm going to wash my face because I don't know, but you just have to wash your face after shaving. I don't know, you just have to do it. So if you don't wash your face after shaving your eyebrows, I am judging you. So face washed, money made, account balance insufficient. So I'm just going to go straight in with my Zaron oil block mattifier. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but like I have like 5 drops left. So I'm just going to put that on my face. So while I am waiting for this Zaron oil block mattifier to mattify my face, I'm going to conceal my eyebrows with this Girl Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey. So I'm just gonna take this. Coverage. I know I look weird right now, like I look like that guy from that movie, the one that wears like a green mask. I can't remember. I'll insert a picture. But don't worry, my powder is a bit darker and it fixes the color difference. Yes, so next time I'm going to conceal the bag, secure the money bag. Conceal the bag, secure the money bag. It's classic and this, I use the dark, I don't know why I'm showing you guys, I'm not going to show, but this is the dark shade, so I'm going to use that to set my concealer. And for my eyes, I'll be using the Zaron Vibrant Colors eyeshadow palette in Splash. Splash, splash. If you're a TikToker, you know what splash is. So, splash. So this is what it looks like. So I don't have a plan. I don't know what look exactly I'm going for. Next, I am going to attempt to cut my crease. Wish me luck. So I don't know what color to use. Blue has never been a good color to me, like I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna use blue today. Yeah, blue. I hate blue, doesn't suit me, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. Guys. So this is cute. I look cute, but I am thinking I should do something with an eyeliner, and this one is from Zaron. This is a bit difficult. I'm not sure I can film it, but let's try. Does this make sense? Yeah, works. So I'm just going to take the bronzer part of this contour palette and add it somewhere. So I was a little bit too happy with the gold, so I just decided to go over the blue, because like I said earlier, blue doesn't suit me, but that looked good, but I just couldn't. Yeah, so I just decided to change it basically. So let me know in the comments if you prefer the blue to this gold look.